Alright, so this is kind of a test vlog video. I want to see how the audio in this garage is. And also the lighting as well. So, yeah, that's what this video is going to be. I'm not sure if I'll upload it. If I upload it, I upload it. If I don't, I don't. Yeah, and depending on what channel this goes on, this is either a new place or somewhere we've been before. This is my garage. If this is going on the free range channel, then we haven't been here since the pegboard PC, because I did come out here to use the drill press. But if this is going on the main channel, which honestly it might, this is actually the first time we've been out here. You might be asking yourself, well, what is this? Well, this is a Dremel DigiLab 3D45. This right here is my very first 3D printer. This is something I got back in 2019, I think. We're not going to go into any detail on it. Instead, I'm going to be kind of cleaning it in this video, and we'll see what kind of footage we get, because it is dusty and has not been used in a while. Just bring the camera over here, adjust the legs so we don't drop it, you know. I looked it up. Dremel doesn't really hasn't made any new ones. Yeah, you probably noticed this thing is kind of dusty, so I have my microfiber guy here, and we'll just go in here and kind of do a basic dusting of it, I guess. Kicking up more dust than just removing, so maybe we'll use the air blower. We can move the bed up, which we probably should do. Seems like there's water gotten here. There does seem to be a little bit of water marks, water spots, everything, so that's gonna be fun. All right, bring the duster out. Can we turn the fan on? I think there's a fan in here that we can just turn on. Saucepan. There we go. Has a little fan in the back here. So we're gonna get a little bit loud. Surprised that there's not a lot of dust that's like caked on. If anything, the caked on stuff is these I don't know if you can see it, but the little watermarks right there. But we're gonna bring out some Clorox disinfecting wipes. I'm gonna go with the paper towel as well. We got these blue shop towels here. These are really nice. They're really absorbent. Yeah, not sure how the water got in here. It's a little strange. Hold up. I thought they were watermarks. They're not water. They're actually little indents, little circle indents here. I guess it's not water damage. It's or just not like water or anything. It's just dust that's gotten stuck in there. I guess I was still right about there being caked on stuff. It's not water though. Let's go up with the shop towel to put some of the moisture, not to have that much moisture in here. All right, probably should clean the front glass too. There's a little bit of a thing here on the glass. That's actually because they had a piece of paper or a big sticker. They had a big sticker, I think, telling you if it's broken, stop and send it back or something like that. It was one of those stickers. How could I tell if you put a big sticker over it, you know? I don't think Dremel manufactured this. I think it's just a Dremel branded product. It was, it did have accolades back when I bought it. That's why I got it, because it seemed to be the most, well, at least for my use cases, it was the most appropriate printer, I guess. Not sure what else was out at the time. I know there was a bunch of MakerBot stuff. Wasn't really smart, so I ended up with this guy. This is not a bad printer, to be honest. It's actually a pretty good printer. I think it's pretty good. It's definitely no Bamboo Lab X1 or Creality K2 Plus. And to be honest, after using the K2 for a bit, there are some similarities that that has with the X1. Definitely has its advantages and disadvantages. Gosh, that's really stuck on there. Probably should have brought some alcohol. I would definitely not try to compare them to this guy, because, you know, they definitely lose. I gotta clean the top now, so, yeah, let me bring up the top to the top here. I might bring the GoPro out here to do a time lapse, because this thing doesn't have a camera or anything like that. And by the way, this thing has way less features than the others. They got cameras, they got error detection, they got fully automatic bed leveling, they got flow calibration. This guy's got a lot of manual stuff. Leveling is semi-automatic, has a little probe thing and that prods the build plate, and you have to rotate these little knobs on the bottom of the plate, and that's how you level it. Honestly, when I got the X1, that was like a big thing. Like I could just tell it to print something and it would print it. Granted, the X1 has its issues. It's not a perfect printer. Neither is the K2 Plus. But comparing it to this thing, they're pretty darn good. Dremel still supports this thing. They still have the update servers for this thing available, and they still have the slicer, which I think is based on the Cura slicer. It's a modified version of the Cura slicer. It specifically has all the networking and stuff you'd need for this guy here. This right here is something that a lot of modern printers don't seem to have. I mean, there are a few. I've seen a few, but not a lot. It's not as popular anymore. It's not because it's better or worse than what's used now, but I have seen other ones do it. There's the upside down, the printer that prints upside down. I forgot what that one's called. That one uses one of these as well. This is a glass build plate, completely made out of glass. There is apparently a flexible build plate for this printer, and I don't know when they released it. Could have been years ago, for all I know, but I never got it. I've always wanted to get a second one of these build plates, which I think are still available. I'll have to check. Yeah, it's the website still labels this as a Dremel DigiLab, but it's under a different company, I think, which I think is the people who actually manufacture this thing. Yeah, glass build plate, pretty interesting, to be honest. Yeah, there we go. The guy is finished, I think. Hopefully this video is correct. I don't know if it's gonna come out or we're just gonna post it later, maybe some other time. All that being said, if this video does come out, I just want to say thank you all for watching, and we'll see you next time.